Let music keep on playing. Wow. Sometimes the things you need in life may be difficult. Not all the time it's gonna be easy. I saw it go. Smoke the marijuana and get high. Stay above the wicked and fly. I'm feeling so very good about myself. Babylon ain't feeling good, damn. That's the problem. I smoke the marijuana and get high. Stay above the wicked and fly. And when I got problem at home domestically, and my girl she just wanna go with me, I smoke the marijuana and get high. Stay above the wicked and fly. Love is the order of the day, you better find it.
Yes, people.
Put my problems behind me.
I smoke the marijuana and get high. Lord Shiva, boy, he coming. Vision for today.
Confident in myself, there's nothing nor no one that could get to me. Not even the damn system, so listen properly. Right now I'm Mary and Sharia living happily. If those Babylonians mess with us today, the music I play. I smoke my problems away. Me and couple of my friends were just chilling in the corner, listening to the music from Jamaica to Bahamas. Yeah, we decided to go link the farmer. Need something for the brain.
Yeah, we're going on to. Yeah, we're going on to the people. I come to show you something today. Smoke the marijuana, but you know why? Oh, here back again. Here back again. This one. Second one.
Sometimes the things that need in life may be difficult.
Hold on.
The time it's gonna be easy. I saw it go.
Let's smoke the marijuana. Okay, again?
Stay above the wicked.
Now that's all. All that what going on with the Facebook?
I'm feeling so very good.
You and that certain people can't get me on Facebook.
I smoke the marijuana and get
Alright.
kids on fly.
Go up there and see if you see it. Alright, that's obviously. I smoke the marijuana and get. Right now I have a chain soaking on that road today for our bedroom. Monish watching? I can't do it here. That's how I will show you. What?
Confident in myself, there's nothing nor no one that could get to me. Not even the damn system, so listen properly. Right now I'm Mary and
oh, let's show you live because right now my phone gone through. I have one phone gone through, your next phone gone through, so my supporters them. This morning is real nice. This morning people is different. Look at you. I come to talk about Lord Shiva. You get? I come to talk about Lord Shiva all ya. I come to give all you a vision this morning, people. Right? All you, I come to give all you a vision. People, I come to read and come to give all you something this morning. I predicting everything. I predicting senseless death. I predict the death with the motorbike. I predict the death who locked on to me. I predict death, unnecessary death all you. No. Why that saying smoke the marijuana and get high? And I'm coming into the next song. I want to play this song. This is my personal song. This is the mother of water. I have to give the mother of water respect. I have to give she respect. I come to give the people a vision this morning. I had a vision last night. A dream, a vision, name it where you want to name it. People going and commit suicide. A seeing way, a woman last night walking and go up on a TSCT building or a tower or some high place and throw herself out all here. All you look out there. You see the mothers and them who on Facebook sharing videos and things. I predicted everything I hear. before everything happened, Peter Mac, before everything ever happened, Trinidad and Tobago, Wakaman come out crying to the system. I'm crying. Me and my wife break up. The Obia harassing me. And nobody never help me. No, I'm going to give a little story this morning. That I get in the visions. I see in way Trinidad going and have a big storm. The place going on, people going and blow. People going on, like I stand up here, are blowing across the road and hitting the building with ambulance thing in the air. I keep telling all of that. I keep saying people going and dead by drowning, people going and dead by water. Listen to Mama Oya all here. Hey! 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 Chivale vale de. Now people, order. I got in the vision. Lord Shiva talking to me, people. Cover in the praise of Jesus Christ as all of them as one. I swear, people. Them is one. Stop fighting religion. Stop fighting politics. And get we ass together. Trinidad. We had to put aside everything and fight this holy Armageddon. The only way to survive out here is to join all here. All the people that be hearing me coming and getting on and cussing up this one and quarreling with that one. It's not because of that. It's because I understand the yin and yang. I understand everything. I could question people. God give me that power like if I beg St. Peter's to give me the power all here. Anthony can let them know. People who locked onto me, who don't afraid to talk, who brave. Who brave to talk, who brave to come out and say, who is the man them could come out and talk and say, yeah what? This happened. We are zombies. We already dead. Now let me tell you something. The alien and them on my Facebook, I keep telling all the Lord Shiva is an alien. Now I have a video that I'm going to show to the system here. These are my personal thing and personal gurus I talk to. This girl that I'm going to show all you is very, very bright. She come like a god in flesh to me. I love this slim girl. Right? I love she. Big up to Marcia. Big up to everybody. Anthony can tell them, bro. I love this girl. Right, people? So, when I show this thing with this girl talking to them, let me show them first. Oh, why is people thinking, before I show them, I start to talk. I meet a girl from Sweden. She's a meditating in the jungle and draw Lord Ganesh. Draw Lord Ganesha. And she name is oh God, I forget she name. Long time I was going to from Sweden. We was talking and thing and she families. Them is politician and thing and I know in politics. And when I talk and thing the family didn't like that. She name is what she name? Can you remember right though? The girl from my way who used to go, I forget she name, but oh God, I will get she back for you. Right? She tell me how to talk like she guru. But she didn't know that as gurus is to be helping me. Now I want to tell you something today. You see the people and them who run in this world? They are some former reptile, some former alien. Because they're destroying the world. But all they're trying to destroy the world. God seeing, all they can destroy this world by. All they can destroy what he create by. He gonna lick we up before by. He gonna send plagues and pestilence by. He going to make we dead before we destroy what he create by. That way he come to tell me this morning. People going and kill themselves in Trinidad and Tobago. I see in a woman. All this like how the man jump out from the car. People fed up. They come and make me and tell me they're going and kill themselves. Come on, bro. My virgin next door. Yeah, brother. They telling me they're going and kill themselves. I dealing with many cases here. I dealing with many people who come in. People are frightened how I be talking. But I be talking with a power and authorization. Me come out here to pet down nobody. Me come out here to, yeah, All you come. You feel God going and talk so? You feel God going and tell you, yeah, boy, you have, and be calm. But all you're talking about obscenity. All you know is obscenity. Obscenity is when you wish people bad, boy. When you wish if they crash and dead, like some wife just wish their husband. I don't know why you're dead. I hate you. She hate him, but she live with him still. All when you hear, when you hear a woman tell him, all you, I hate you, and she'll live with you still. All you're running. All you're running. All you knowing, she teaming up for you, she adding up all in her. And when all you have all your enemies, and all you don't want to know where the thing come from, where the root come from, it come from your same enemies you have. They be going and looking and teaming up. Everything is a tag team. Everything is who know you and who you know. That way but you have to kill to survive out here, boy. Don't let me go into the depth into it. GMO, stem cells, vaccine, heart weather control, CERN, robot, sex toys, depopulation, nasty Willie Lynch with the mental, with the East Coast and the West Coast, and letting a woman saying, I don't need a man for nothing. Woman, I love all you. Sonja sing me, darling. I see you put up some nice song for me. Patrick Stout, boy. Patrick Stout, I see you calling me. You're like our jams are for. I ain't righteousness, boy. The riff is if he understand, he will dress back and come by me and pat down and do a video. Go and do what he had to do. But what going on with him? Why he can't come by me and talk? Why he couldn't stand my video and say we had to stay? But brethren, think why he telling all in. Think why he telling all in. Now I got pull up a video where I had the youths them saying, one of the youths come out brave and talk and say, Waka man, open up people's eyes. He said people blind. You understand? Look at that little youth outside there. I talk to him and I could call him here now. When he used to be singing, when Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. I got my mind made up. When he realized everything. When he realized Patrick Stout. Hey, brother, in the back there? Where he gone? Yeah. Me and nobody know who you're talking to, but let's talk and let them hear your voice. Yeah, I don't let the people let them know the kind of youth, the kind of person Waka is.
Nah, Waka is a good man.
That person don't have bad mind, boy. Nah. I love them little youth and them. Them come at me for anything they will get. You understand? So that's why I ask people when they help me, little people that be helping. When I have. When I have, I can't blank them. You understand? He just come everything I tell him. He know I had the spirit. He know I jam some of them right here. He just come and watch my car and thing and he say, yeah, I like it. You feel he like that? It's that one of them take my phone. You understand? But I friend on them. So the point of the fact is, them thing is 666. When all they go and doing abortion and they take all their baby, they glad. Because they're buying babies. They're paying $1,000 for babies. What about the Venezuelan woman who sell the child? What about when they with the thief in the money in politics? All they give me a chance to straighten this country, boy. Trinidad and Tobago, all they give me a chance. Me a mad. This is the calling of a madman. The chant of a madman. All they give me a chance to help to run this country. I don't want no power. I don't want no money. Just give me 6 months with no pay. Give me 6 months to wrap up Trinidad and Tobago. No pay. Within 3 months, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit are jam everybody. And with the next 666 Maccabees, I turn everything with yin and yang. I turn everything to yin and yang. Free. I let the whole country and the whole world know in TV6 and them nasty radio station and the nasty TV station. I don't want no part of them. I don't want to go in no radio station where there's a pull mouth like God Christopher. I don't want to be going to TV pull mouth. I have to died. I have to lick Kamala bottom. Me not in them thing. I not in politics. I don't want to hear. Christopher Mohammed, you really is a maid. But where they made you from, let the public know. You stay away from me. You don't know nothing about me. But thanks for watching and bless you. May God bless you. Because it has so much thing to watch on Facebook. But you sit down watching me and hold 20 minutes and listening to me. But you learning plenty. But let you learn and let you know that everything that who I don't like, I just sit down and watch them. Up to yesterday, I watching a cult. And I learned a lot from the cult. You're stupid. The devil is black science. And if you learn about black science, I don't give a damn if you know Ria. All who know Ria, all of you know Ria. Everybody know Ria. Patrick Stout talk to Ria too. When she eye was one eye, looking like it was one eye. You feel like you care about them in the base? You feel that coming for them nasty people in the base? Them Silochan and them. You feel like Steve Silochan and all of them. Them people and them give me a hard time, you know. If them want me where I is, you know. With the nasty Obian fighting me along and taking away my car and only taking my money and a Ria and them, you know. The nasty in-laws. People, be careful of your in-laws and them. When I'm talking, nobody ever like me. You understand? That's why when I sing. You could say what you want, mother-in-law. I don't really care. Is the love of your daughter is what I really fear. Every day a thought in she brain. She know what the daughter live with the waka man fame. I know sister, I know they sleep the dollar in. Don't tell the young girl nothing to commit no more sin. Every day I tell him she make a good decision. But mother, you know you can't help it of the waka man. You keep on telling I'm the waka fella. They run away to help me plant my cassava. Oh, no sister, I know they sleep the dollar in. Don't tell the young girl nothing to commit no more sin. They are chat me out. Right? You see, GM product, you telling me that we mixing people? Them people and them is alien. The people and them who are the child, the parent, how you call the parenting by? Child parenthood, them and all two is a nasty people. Or them taking a baby to do stem cell research. And taking pieces of baby with the nasty man called Bill Gates. And the nasty place called Monsanto. Or they call it Monsanto. He's a nasty man putting chemicals and licking up the whole world. It's licking up people from distance, man. They know it. If after years, by the depopulizing people, by go up and see or let do everything coming in the open. No, before I go further, let me show you and them that I will be talking to the next girl who from away in Sweden, who every day she say I have a performance today. This is it here.
Shiva is alien.
Shiva is alien, she said.
Shiva is alien. He couldn't even have biological children with any of the women he was married to.
See this girl? Me and she is sisters.
Is alien.
She correct.
Shiva is alien. He couldn't even have biological children with any of the women he was married to. Okay, now we'll move to your favorite topic.
Is that? I didn't know you figured out all.
Okay, now we move to Shiva. So Shiva is what I got from reading about it and doing my practices and spending time with you. Shiva is not somebody looking, like sitting up there and looking at all of us. Shiva is a dimension. It is what they say in science, a black hole where nothingness seems to be the origin of universe, where everything seems to be coming out of nothingness and being swallowed into nothingness. That very nothingness is Shiva. So anybody who accesses that dimension, if you access that, you become Shiva. If I tap into that, I can become Shiva. But okay, tell me that so Adi Yogi, very first yogi, was somebody who has access to that dimension. So why is it that you are obsessed with Adi Yogi? Isn't it like making it about the container and not the contained? Sadhguru, isn't it like that? You only talk about Adi Yogi. It's like Adi Yogi is the container. You've made the sculpture of Adi Yogi and
Yeah, it's only 1.5 years old. But you're not checking what I was doing these 36 years. Let's come to that, that's fine. See, about Adiyogi is not an obsession, or the Adiyogi is a plan. I should not. Mumbai is
No,
not…
reveal it, reveal it.
Mumbai is not the best place to reveal it, but now that you
So
asked…
judgmental.
Let's go. That's her next movie, she's promoting it.
Right? But the point of the fact is, what I'm trying to show you. Right? That's what I'm trying to show. I know that. I know